Hello everyone, this is Swati Vavarapalli. This video is the part 2 of code preview of 695 research writing final project, which is advanced image search engine. So I have explained about all the Django flow and everything, but I want to explain about the main logic behind the image search engine. So this whole logic we'll write in views.py. So let's start from the main where it takes the user's request, and then every time we do a search, we clean the search. So you can see here. So I have started the server, and then I have searched for something, and then see the log here. It is cleaning the search dictionary every time. So whenever I search, see the second time it is also again cleaning the search, third time. So that's what it do. And then once the user has requested or uploaded an image, it goes like we are taking it in the image form. And then if it is valid, what we are requesting here is the result images, all the top 20 images, it will show in the search image.html page. And then what to do once the request has raised, then we'll get the image with the path, and then with the image and its path we'll go to we are going to get the result images. So now first let's get the image and its path. So the corresponding function is, it's here, I think. See, it's here, get image with the path. So here what I have what I'm doing is my all the images are in my system only. So we have added this path here in the settings.py, where we can get the images and everywhere. Like at the end you can see the media path, everything we have given here, where to get the image, all the media once the request has raised. So let's go to views.py again, and then it gets the image with the path. So it go to get current image. So get current image is like whatever the user has requested, that image will come, and then to current file, to return the current file. And then so yes, after this what we are going to do, get result get result images. Like this is where the whole logic happens. So when I'll tell you the flow first, then we'll see the functions later, the code and everything. When the user requests or uploaded an image, what it does, this is the query image it gets. So we are going to extract all the features into index.pickle, where I told you previously we'll find the histogram of the image, and then we'll calculate an index where the index will be compared to the indexes of all the database images. If there is a match, the Django will show in the search image.html. That's what it happens. So once the query image came, using the OpenCV, we'll read the image, and then we'll find all the features, and then we'll save it to feature file. And then what we'll do, we'll calculate the histogram of it, right? So it goes to the according this this is the class disk, and then describe function. It go the query image will be sent to there, and then we'll find the histogram. And then here we'll get an Python object, right? Maybe like what are the pixels, all the information. All the pixels is like it's an array of numbers, right? Just a Python object. So what we'll do, we'll use pickle to serialize the object and then load it into a file. Okay, so once we have the index of the image, what we'll do, we'll send the index to the searcher function, where it compares the index of the query image to all the indexes in the database of the images, right? So once we have a match, you can see here we calculate using OpenCV2 we will calculate the histogram, and then all these things we'll find the index, and then we'll all these features and everything. So now go to searcher. This is where the comparison happens. So searcher.search, we are sending the query. So once the features and everything comes, we'll send it to squared sorry, this is chi underscore square. So this is where the function is. Here what we are doing is we are comparing with all the indexes to the means how similar these images are. Like we have an index of the query image, and then we pick an image from the database, and then we'll see how similar are these two, how similar these indexes are. So if the difference is too high, we don't take that image. If the difference is very less, then that's what we need. How similar are they, those two images? So that's how this repetition happens through whole database, and it searches for the top 20 images, and then it will show you in the uh, search image.html, where see it will show all the images with the width and height. So that's what the logic behind this. And then I want to show you about the about.html page. This is where like I just have written something about the so this is the project. When you hit the about page, see, I need to work on this again, but still, like, this is about the page, what is the application, and then you can see about admin.py, which has the admins functions and everything. See, this is the greatest thing about Django. We don't have to do much about all the flow, like what to write. So Django has the great option of taking care of admin or things. So that's what the code preview of advanced image search engine. Thank you so much. One more thing I want to say is this is the style.css. This is where we style the front end page. So okay, thank you so much. Bye.